So we began.
Hang on. You alright, Paul?
So we began in the centre of the circle with Billy, and then we met Jerry at the true north, which is marked with a notch on the stone directly opposite where we are here. So that's 0 degrees, 360 degrees north. Well, this is 180 degrees south. And what do you find in the 180 degrees stone? You find a figure of 8 right here. And if you come closer in a second after I'm finished, you can all take a look and see. So why is the figure of 8 here at 180? Because every day at 12 o'clock midday, noon, the sun is at its highest point in the sky. So we're now coming into autumn, so it's making its descent down, and the autumnal equinox is soon, which will cross over, and then it'll come down to its lowest point, which is here. So that is the winter solstice. And then after the winter solstice, what you have, Christmas, the birth of the sun, Jesus comes back up again to the top, and that's the 24th of June. That's the summer solstice, that's John's Eve. That's why you have John the Baptist. He says, I will decrease and Jesus will increase. What's he saying? John the Baptist is the summer solstice, right? That's why we celebrate St. John's Eve. That's when John the Baptist is born. So as John the Baptist decrease, what happens? Jesus increase. So that's what the Bible is teaching all this stuff as well. So there's nothing wrong with the Bible. It's got beautiful information in it too.
But it was originally Irish phenomenon, wasn't it?
Well, we'll have to find out, but there's a lot of this before Jesus. This stone circle was here before Jesus, and a lot of the information is preserved through Jesus, through the Bible. So what do we have here? We have the figure of 8. That's the solar analemma. So that's the path of the sun during the year. That's the solar analemma. And this is the figure of 8. And isn't it interesting that 180 degrees has the figure of 8 in it? It's the Arabic numerals, right? So if you're at 180, right? 1 plus 8 plus 0 equals 9. If you're west, you're at 270 degrees west, okay? 2 plus 7 equals 9. If you're at north, you're at 360 degrees. 3 plus 6 equals 9. If you're at east, you're standing at 90 degrees. 9 plus 0 equals 9. So what's that? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 is the magic number. And 9 is very, very special, the golden spiral. So 999. And what did they do? They took 999, they turned it upside down, and they created 666. So that's what evil is. It's an inversion. They invert everything. They turn everything upside down. So it's not good enough for us to stand and point at the evil that we see in our government or the evil that we see in the world today. Our job is to take what's been turned upside down and put it right side up. It's that simple. That's all we have to do.
Another thing about 666, I just wanted to make it with that. If you measure the speed of the sun around the Earth, it's 66,600 miles. So if you take the Earth as the beast, the mark of the beast is how fast it goes around the sun. That's 666 as well. So
and there's the carbon molecule is 666 as well. So what's that? They're saying that the world that we're part of is 666. Does not necessarily mean it's a bad thing. A number is a number at the end of the day. But there's, you know, there's the inversion. I don't believe in evil. Like some people say, you know, there is evil in the world, but at the end of the day, we don't need it. We're just here to find the truth, and it's objective. And you know, me and Jerry were here, and Billy, we're all passionate, and I'm sure everyone here will have their own ideas and bring their own creativity to the table. We're not here to impose our will or our views on anyone, so we'd encourage everyone to take inspiration, take the information home, and keep it alive, keep it going, and that's kind of it, I suppose.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you.